Yo, what it do, what it be? Vancouver, BC. It's your boy, IC, BC. Here to let you know that you need to slow it down. You're driving too fast, you got to slow it down. Slow it down, slow it down. Yeah, slow it down, slow it down. You driving too fast, slow it down. Take your foot off the gas and slow it down. You think you're so cool, whipping around streets with your whole crew, ignoring signs, doing things you're not supposed to, racing your friends to see which car has the most juice, wanting to impress, but ladies don't wanna know you. Pulling up to a party, you step on the gas like your car's a Ferrari. Dangerous and naughty, you're driving 86 Honda, sorry. Speeding these streets, you can hit a cat or a dog or a kid named Corey. Locked up or dead is where you'll end up, end of story. Just slow it down in town and all around. We drive safe through your city, no kidding, I'm still alive. I get where I need to be, no rush, I chill like icy cream. Cool and collected, respected, I'm what you like to be.